This weekend ka war was really entertaining and shocking as well. Naveen gets eliminated and all the India wale get emotional as he leaves. Manu, Manveer and Mona were discussing among themselves about the words said by Rahul Dev of him being an educated man, and that's why he is not plotting any game or trick against contestants. To Rahul's comment, Manu infers that they aren't uneducated people and still they prefer to plot against contestants as it's a part of the game. In the coming episodes, there will be a war in the house. Bigg Boss will ask to start the nominations for this week. The total of 4 contestants will be nominated this week, and it will be based upon one factor, and that is how entertaining or boring the contestants are in the house. And hence the most boring contestants would be nominated this week. But this thing is decided by all the contestants. Gaurav, Rahul and Rohan want to nominate Manu and Manveer, but they are against their decision as they are the most entertaining in the house, and unlike Rahul, Gaurav and Rohan sleep on the bed all day. It will be really interesting to see who gets nominated this week. We can also see Manu, Manveer and Mona getting aggressive on Swami Om as he says something to them. In the recent episode, we saw that all is not well between the celeb contestants. There will also be a huge fight between Lopa and Bani. As Lopa won the wrestling competition, so Bani will be Lopa's sevak for 24 hours. During the task, Lopa talks continuously in English. Because of this, Bani will punish Lopa as she is the captain. This will surely create a huge rift between both the contestants. We have to wait and watch what twists and turns comes in today's episode. For more information and updates, subscribe to Teletalk India.